What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today is October 1st, so that means it's Vlogtober. Vlogtober is whenever you film for 31 days straight, blah blah blah. Hopefully I make it to be able to vlog every day. Well, some of them might not be a vlog. Some of them might be like a fall haul or like stuff like that. So hopefully I get to the point where I can actually do it for 31 days, but I'm kind of scared I might miss like a few days. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and my name is Nay, and yeah. Today we are in the car, obviously, and my brake was up. Okay, today we are going to get some fall decor, okay? It's 12, but I haven't had anything to drink yet, so we're going to Starbucks. Look at this pumpkin patch. I think we're gonna go there tomorrow. Hee-haw, guys, I made it. Ooh. 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 Y'all, look at this line. I'ma still wait though. Line be long, but I'm still wait. Here's a line all the way. There's the speaker right there. Go all the way around, and that's the window. So I'll see you at the speaker. Should I try this Kiwi Star Fruit Starbucks refresher? I'm kind of scared, but this is new, and I love strawberry refreshers, and I love kiwi. So, what's a tomato and mozzarella panini? Panini? Is that how you say it? Can I get a large kiwi refresher? Water, and then can I also get an extra large water, extra ice? Okay, got a water. I'm a healthy gal. What's going on? Come on! Is somebody gonna help me? Thank you. Let's try these drinks. I know plastic is horrible for the world. Somebody recommend me some good straws, metal straws. Okay. Take a little thumbnail. This tastes like freaking candy. Like, it's sour. Okay, where is the fall stuff? Oh, I think it's over here. Oh yeah, over here. We have like a whole section. Y'all, I'm hoping all of these things are still here. When Christmas come back around, I'm gonna have to come back probably November. Maybe the end of October to get some stuff, because this stuff is still up. This, you put your gift in there. Come on now. Why y'all had me sleeping on Hobby Lobby? I did not know. I did not know Hobby Lobby had all this good stuff, because I don't come here during the holidays. I usually go to Target, Walmart, but this, they got like 10 rows just of holiday stuff. Okay, they got everything. Y'all, they got Christmas stuff up already. Oh my god, so exciting. Well, I'm out of the store finally. That line was so long. Like, I guess everybody wanted to go to Hobby Lobby today, but guys, I'm in love with Hobby Lobby. Usually I go to Target, and I'm like over Target now. Like, Target's done. Target, you're done. Because Hobby Lobby is my new babe, okay? I'm about to go get food. I don't know if I want, I think I want Chick-fil-A. I don't know. Y'all, I am a Chick-fil-A hater. I really do not like Chick-fil-A, but I want it like all the time. But I really don't like it like that. Is that weird? Y'all, what's going on? Where the customers at? Something must have happened. Oh my gosh. What the freak is going on? Nay.
What can I get for you today?
A number 1, no pickles, add American cheese with a large sweet tea, extra ice, no sauce. That's it. Yes, can I get 2 hand wipes? Okay guys, we are finally back home. I think I was in Hobby Lobby for almost 2 hours, but I enjoyed every second of it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby, which is this stuff for the this little family party that we're having. Not even like a party, but we're just gonna do something fun to entertain ourselves. I'm gonna vlog it whenever we do it. I don't know what day we're doing it yet. And then I went to Party City last night or the night before. I think the night before was Party City. I'm gonna show you guys what I got for Party City as well. So the first thing I got from Hobby Lobby is, it just says come gather at your own table. So you put this on your table and it has a little spinning wheel on it. It goes like that. So I'm guessing, and I'm probably guessing wrong, but you put your fork, your knife, spoons, but then what's the fourth one for? So that's what I'm confused about. I'm gonna be making cupcakes, so I just got these little cupcakes holder. This is basically Thanksgiving, but I still got it because I feel like it would be good for all of us. We just got these little things that just, not we, I am thankful for, and I'm just gonna give these to everyone in here so they can write what they're thankful for. And we'll just put them around the house. Then we just got these forks. Well, I want to say we. I was alone today. My mom and my sister didn't even go with me. I was by myself. But they did not have any festive spoons or knives. So I didn't even see any other spoons and knives in general. But forks was the only thing they had in the fall area. So I just got forks. Plates are so cute. Oh my goodness. It just says Happy Thanksgiving, which, guys, obviously it's not Thanksgiving yet, or it's gonna come by fast, but it's not close to Thanksgiving, but we're still gonna use it for the little holiday party. And then these napkins, it just says give thanks something. I can't read the rest. See, for like little crafts and stuff, we got, what are these? Little people, or these things. And animals, people and animals, and then you can just paint them. Really, I didn't even get any decor. I just got stuff for the party because the decor stuff was really like big. I wanted to get it, but I was by myself and I didn't feel like carrying all that stuff alone. Next at Party City, we're gonna use this stuff for the intro, but it's kind of too late because it's already October 1st. We might still add in the intro or something small, but we got this cape. It's pretty fun. Oh, by the way, at Hobby Lobby, everything was like 40% off for the festive stuff, and then everything else in the store probably was like either 30 or 40. 2 pairs of socks, just this pumpkin, and then the candy corn one, so cute. These were only 99 cents, so definitely got 2. I got some red lipstick, 2 vampire teeth, because me and my sister were both gonna use the vampire teeth thing. Then we just have some fake blood. That is it for this video today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day. So these vlogs really don't need to be that long unless you want them long, which you probably don't. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch tomorrow. So bye, stay tuned.